Hello everyone, this is Shivangi Malviya and I'm the Customer Solutions Manager at Orgzit. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very recent product enhancement that we have done for you, which is the help icons. So we have developed these help icons which are there in different parts of your Orgzit account. You can find them on your dashboard, in your workspace, and everywhere. So the purpose of these help icons is basically to help you in your journey while at Orgzit. So let's say you're working or you're in the middle of a task and you have some sort of doubt of how to create a report or how does this button work or how can I use this feature. So to not waste your time and to make the process and to make your journey in Orgzit very smooth, we have provided these help icons that can clear your doubts then and there. Along with the content and the product documents, we have also given support videos to help you understand the process better. So here you can see that I am on my Orgzit dashboard, and here you can see these help icons installed at different parts of my account. So let's say if I want to know what this drop down means, so I can just click on this particular help icon and see what it's all about. So likewise, you can see these help icons at the different parts of your Orgzit account. Also, let's say I am inside some of my workspaces, then also I can find these help icons. So let's say if I am trying to show hide fields, but I am not able to understand how this really works, I can quickly use this help icon to understand what does this actually do, and if it's still not clear to me, I can also watch this product video to understand the process of how to use this show hide fields feature. You can click on this learn more button, which will direct you to our support page and give you a detailed step-wise description of how does a particular product feature work and what are the different use cases that you can use a feature for. So like this, you can find these help icons at different places of your workspace. So these help icons won't just be useful while using the system for the users, but also while configuring the system, the admins can use to understand the use of these different sections or how to configure different sections of their workspace. So these help icons will basically help you throughout your journey in Orgzit, how so you can build your own Orgzit workspaces using it. You can create enhancements by taking help of these help icons, and you can also understand more and more features while you are here at Orgzit.